Good evening, all of you. Today's date is 5 March 2022. This is the original video. First of all, introduce myself. My name is Sachin Sanjay Puge. I am come from Mumbai, Bangladesh. Recently, I did complete the BE in mechanical engineer, and I have also 1 year experience in mechanical industry. Recently I have joined Himshan Institute in Nankaudi, and we will learn the full stack of web developer. Let's come to the point. Today's our topic is different commands of SQL. So SQL as well as structured query language, as we all know in the database language by use of which we can perform certain operation on existing database, and also we can use this language to create a database. SQL uses certain command like create, drop, insert, etc. to carry out of the required task. The SQL commands are mainly categorized into 4 categories. First one is DDL. So full form of DDL is a data definition language. Second is DQL. Full form of DQL is a data query language. And third one is DML, data manipulation language. And fourth one last is DCL's, data control language. Though many resources claim there to be another category of SQL clauses, TCL transaction and control language. So we will see in detail about TCL as well as. So DDL, data definition language, is actually consists of SQL command that we can use to define the database schema. It simply deals with descriptions of database schema and is used to create and modify the structure of database. Object in database, DDL, is a set of SQL command used to create and modify and delete database structure but not data. These commands are normally used by a general user who should be accessing the database via an applications. List of DDL command. First one is create. To create database or objects like table, index, functions, view, store, etc. Drop. This command is used to delete from the database. Alter. This is used to alter the structure of database. Truncate. This is used to remove all records from a table, including all spaces allocated from the record are removed. Comment. This is used to add comments to the data dictionary. Rename. This is used to rename an object existing in the database. So DQL, data query language. DQL stands are used to performing queries on data schema object. The purpose of DQL command is to get some schema relation based on query pass to it. We can define DQL as follows: it component of SQL statement that allows getting data from imposing order upon it. It is include the select statement. These commands allow getting the data of database. So list of DQL is select. It is used to receive data from the database. DML, data manipulation language. The SQL commands that deals with the manipulations of data present in database belongs to DML or data manipulation language, and this includes the most of SQL statement. It is the component of SQL statement. The control access of data and database, basically DCL statements are going to DML statements. So list of DML command. Insert. It is used to insert data into table. Update. It is used to update existing data within a table. Delete. It is used to delete record from a database table. Log. Table control concurrency. DCL, data control language. DCL include a command such as grant and revoke, which is mainly deal with rights, permissions, and other controls of data system, database system. So list of DCL's command grant. This command is gives access privileges to the database. Revoke. This command will draw the user's access privilege given by the grant command. So today that's of all you. I hope you will understand all about the difference of commands in SQL. So thank you so much for watching for this video. Thank you.
समझा नहीं